So I'm a few kilometers into a paddle already. I decided I'd pull over here to take a break because I've been battling a headwind this whole time. So I'm gonna sunscreen up, maybe eat a little bit of food, and then tackle this thing because it's not a small lake and it's quite a headwind. Woo. Oh, sweet relief. Kind of forgot how pleasant paddling can be. So I'm camping out on this island tonight, just behind me, which is great and all, but the problem with the islands is they lack firewood. So the trick for me is to just take the empty canoe, go to the mainland, collect some firewood. So that's what I'm doing now. That wood was great and all, but I really want to get some hardwood and some birch bark to get the fire started. I see some deciduous trees up here, so my guess is that they grow together. Let's go check it out. All right, I got two pieces right here that are awesome standing dead hardwoods. This one is rotten at the base, so I could pull that off no problem. This guy, this one. And whatever I don't use from this, I'll just leave at the campsite, and other people will probably appreciate that. Oh, uncomfortable. Oh, I need birch bark. There's a birch tree right there. I think that's enough. A little bit overkill. Oh, wonderful. Dinner time. Or at least let's get it started because the potatoes will take a while. On the menu tonight, big fat steak, sweet potato, asparagus, olive oil, some salt, some pepper, woo, woo, this guy all the way over here because the fire's hot. Olive oil, salt, a little bit of pepper. We have Parmesan. Hello, mommy. A couple cloves of garlic in there too. Awesome. And I'll just get some garlic on there. I think this is a good way to do it. Time to set up the tent. These platypus gravity filters are the best because all you have to do is scoop up some water, hang it on a tree, and let gravity filter the water for you. That's clean drinking water. Not there yet, but not bad. Potato seems to be doing pretty good. I'm gonna put the asparagus in now. Since we're waiting for dinner, might as well talk about the cool toy that Phoenix sent me. They were so impressed with the last review that I did that they sent me their biggest, brightest flashlight, the LR50R. They're not paying me to say this, but this thing is a beast. It's 12,000 lumens. It has a 16,000 milliamp battery, which you can charge other devices off of it. It's waterproof, and it shines up to 950 meters. For camping, this thing is absolutely overkill. It weighs like 3 pounds. But it's like 3 pounds of really solid engineering and high tech. I can see this thing being very useful for in your car, in your boat, maybe at home, and definitely for search and rescue. For me, the reason why I wanted this, I'm just into cool, flashy toys that I can show my friends, and this is definitely one of those things. So if you're in search and rescue, you need a bright light for your boat, or you just like cool, flashy toys, the LR50R might be for you. Thank you, Phoenix, for sending this out. Thanks, guys, for watching, because I got a new toy. Yay. Ow. Oh. 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 That was a dumb bit. I'm not sure where all the bugs went, but I'm cool with it. Okay, whoops, there's a lot of pepper. Steak, asparagus, and a sweet potato, bomb. Asparagus, Parmesan. Yep, sweet potato. Nice and soft. And of course the steak. Oh, the steak's perfect. This is a lot of food. I don't have a camping pillow yet, so I just pillow-sized dry bag, fill it with clothes and air, and does the trick. Yeah, so that's basically it for me. That was a fun day. It was a fun day. It was nice to get out. It was nice to paddle. It was nice to cook some food. This island that I'm on is phenomenal. Yeah, it was a good day. Nice and chill. Nice to be out here. I should probably have come out for more than one day. Just spent the day chilling. But it's all good. Because it was worth it. I got nothing to say. I'm pretty beat. So that's it from me, guys. Good night. See you in the morning. It's really warm. Who's got a fish? I've been filming this snake for 45 minutes now. I should probably get some breakfast of my own. We'll come back, see how he's doing in a little bit. Alright, for breakfast we got bacon, bannock, and eggs. So bannock is super simple. It's just some flour, baking powder, and salt mixed with water, and you get a dough that you can fry. A little bit of water. Let's go check on our boy. Just chilling. I was gonna go fishing this morning, but instead I saw that water snake and he caught a fish, so just watched him instead. I mean, I guess like, since he caught a fish, we caught a fish. So it's also a good thing that he knows that yellow perch are in season, because I don't want the game warden to give him a ticket, you know? Smart little snaky. If there's any bannock gurus out there that cook bannock while camping, let me know how you cook bannock down in the comments. I'm really curious. Okay. Not bad. Oh yeah, look at that. That's done. Time for the egg. I have a little bit of Parmesan here. All right, those look good. This is too much food for any single human, but I am not a human. You looking at that right now? Look at that. Oh my God. Do you see this thing? Yep. Yeah, it's good. It's a lot. It's like a Tim Hortons breakfast sandwich on a biscuit, except mega sized. I gotta go say goodbye to our snaky friend, see how he's doing with his meal. Oh, he's gone. Well, wherever you went, buddy, I hope you enjoy your meal. So that's it for me. Canoe's all packed. I'm heading on out now. Nice little one-nighter here on the island. Cooked some delicious food, saw some beautiful views. I wish I could stay another night, but I have places to be, people to kill. One night's better than no nights, that's for sure. And for that, I'm grateful to be able to even come out for one night. So, I'll be back though, I'll be back. Nice little spot. So I've been paddling for just over 2 hours now and I totally forgot. Recently we hit 100,000 subscribers and we forgot to celebrate. Thank you everybody that's liked, subscribed, and commented over the last few months. You guys are absolute legends. I can't believe it because we only hit 10,000 subscribers just a few months ago. Back in January, 5 months ago, we were at around 1,000 subscribers. Like, what? I can't believe how fast this channel is growing. Thank you to everybody, especially the people that comment. You guys leave such positive comments and such motivating comments that you guys get me out every week. I absolutely love you guys. I want to give a special shout out to my brother Max. He's been such a huge influence in my camping career. He's the one that pushed me into winter camping, got me into whitewater canoeing, and just been a huge, huge influence and teacher for me in a lot of aspects. So Max, thank you so much, bro. Love ya. Okay, just one more thing before I go. I also want to shout out all the camping YouTubers out there that I've learned a ton from. Lost Lakes, Bruks and Birches, KC Happy Camper, the Baird Brothers, Explore the Backcountry, Northern Scavenger. God, there's so many. Yeah, thank you all and everybody else that I'm forgetting. You know who you are. And if I'm subscribed to you, you know that I watch your stuff and I appreciate your content and I've learned a ton from you guys. All those guys, amazing channels, and if you haven't seen any of them, definitely go check them out because those guys are the real deal. So anyways, that's it. Thanks guys, bye.